I think this question was from the Canara Bank paper. We had enabled a full-length test Canara Bank paper for you. I think it's from that. This is on blood relations. Pointing to Pinky, Pinku said, "She is the daughter of my grandmother's only daughter. How is Pinku related to Pinky?" See, Pinky, pointing to Pinky, Pinku said, "She is the daughter of my grandmother's only daughter." So, Pinku has a grandmother, okay. Generally in questions, whenever grandmother, Pinku has a grandmother. Generally in questions, when they don't mention which grandmother it is, like paternal or maternal, if they don't mention, generally we consider it to be the paternal grandmother, okay. So I am assuming Pinku has a father whose mother, okay, and she is the daughter of my grandmother's only daughter. So my grandmother has a daughter, and that daughter's child is Pinky, correct? So if that is the case, how is Pinku and Pinky related? Again, somebody says option 3. How can that be? See, both of them are in the same generation, right? How is Pinku related to Pinky? So you can see, son is not true, husband is not true, nephew is also not true. Again, brother is there, but again, if you see, generally when in questions, when they don't give you maternal or paternal, we generally consider it as paternal. So the correct answer for this question will be none of these. They should actually be cousins. The correct answer will be option 5. So next question is there on your screen. This question is on blood relations. Q is the son of P, X is the daughter of Q, R is the auntie of X, and L is the son of R. Then what is the relation of L to P? So this question I think was asked in the SSC CHSL AIM that was conducted last week. Q is the son of P. So Q, right? You have P. So this is a Q is the son of P, boy. I've just written B for boy. X is the daughter of Q means X. She is a girl, daughter of Q. Then R is the auntie of X, and L is the son of R. So R is the auntie of X means, see this person, no, he should have a sister, right? Generally aunt means you take into consideration father's sister if they have not mentioned paternal or maternal. So R is the aunt of X. So this has to be a girl. R is the aunt of X, and then only she is X's aunt, okay. L is the son of R. So L is the son of R means she has a son, that is L. L is the son of R. Then what is given? Then what is the relation of L to P? So what is the relation of L to P? So if these two are brother sisters, definitely this P has to be the parent of these two, okay. Now the question is, what is the relation of L to P? How is L related to P? L is going to, this is a boy, correct? He is a boy and he is going to be this person's grandson, okay. So answer is option A, grandsons. Then how is L related to P? L is P's grandson. P can be grandfather or grandmother, okay. That we didn't know here actually to get the answer. Yeah. What is the relationship between J and A in the expression given? So let us now try to represent this expression in terms of a blood relation so that it's easier for us to solve. A ampersand F means A is the wife of F. So A is the wife of F. So A is a female, F is a male. Now see, some of you put minus and plus here for male and female. Please follow the whatever way you are doing. I just put F for female and M for male, or you can even put B and G. That's up to you, but whenever you are solving a question, stick to the same notations that you use, that's all. $M. $M means F is the son of M. So F is the son of M. Next, what have they given? M percentage J means that M is the mother of J. So M is the mother of J, so M has to be a female. Okay, so this M has now two children, J and F. Next, what is given? J plus T. J plus T means J is the sister of T. So this has to be a female and this has to be T, correct? Because they are all going to be the children of the same parent. That means J is the sister of T means J is definitely a female and she is the sister of T. I don't know the gender of T now. Now what is the question? What is the relationship between J and A? So this is J and this is A. See, J and F are siblings, correct? Sister brother, and this person A is the wife of J's brother, or I can say J is the sister-in-law of A. So the correct answer here is J is the sister-in-law of A, that is option C.